Tomorrow is already here. Progress is unstoppable. Throughout history, humans have depended on energy, and with the advent of electricity, we have leapt into the modern age. Demands now placed on power are more than ever. Moving to new and better sources of power is our only option. Now you can be the one to lead the Asia-Pacific region into a new age, an age of sustainable and renewable energy, by being one of the first few people to be a part of the LECO UOM Smart Grid Research Lab, which was inaugurated in March 2022, and a newly built Digital Grid Research Lab.
The electric utilities today are at the verge of disruption. This disruption is due to three issues: solar and renewable acquisition, the reliability issues induced by such acquisition, and the climate resilience. We in the utilities wish to see whatever the solution being developed comes as a single solution in a cascaded manner addressing these three questions. It should be developed in such a manner that the renewable acquisition becomes the imperative and the reliability becomes the solution and the climate resilience becomes the byproduct. It is very important that the tariffs and the economic solution should be connected with this engineering solution so that the legal framework, economic framework, and the engineering framework are laid one over the other. Within this context, we see the project that is being carried out in conjunction with Moratuwa University and the Asian Development Bank fits perfectly into this window. Finally, we wish to see that this kind of projects, this kind of research work comes in large quantities and numbers, connecting universities and the utilities together in addressing these very challenging and difficult problems, otherwise will lead to major disruption of this industry.
The implementation of the high-technology renewable energy smart grid pilot testing project is a landmark project. A real-time grid simulator, the amplifier, and digital grid router that break barriers in new renewable energy testing, giving us the ability to test new sources of energy before implementation. This state-of-the-art simulator allows us to ensure that the new energy sources are powerful and dependable by simulating technical issues that arise on the grid and helping form solutions and train technicians on proper procedure to handle these issues. The high-tech testing grid is a major advancement in technology and will contribute to the uplifting of many lives.
Digital grid router, we call it DGR, one of the most advanced grid forming inverters, developed at the University of Tokyo, funded by the Department of Environment in Japan. That is an intelligent software-driven and interconnectable devices that can be linked with distributed generation sources, loads, and storage units in both of the main grid and microgrid. DGR will be tested in this laboratory to investigate the behavior of complicated mixture of synchronous generators and inverter-based resources. Power transfer among these devices can be routed according to operators' needs. Digital Grid Controllers, DGC, is the center of DGR control software installed in the FPGA CPU chip on the motherboard of the DGR. In this laboratory, there is real-time digital simulator, RTDS, which can simulate the main grid behavior in this digital world. And there is also a newly installed 4-quadrant 2 group of 100 kVA amplifier which can interface real-world hardware of two different types of inverters, such as grid following and grid forming at the same time. These testing methods are called PHIL, Power Hardware in the Loop Test. In collaboration with the existing Smart Grid Laboratory at Moratuwa University and the engineers from LECO, we can conduct the world's advanced PHIL tests and developments. And the result of this development will be released as DZC software to all the manufacturers of inverters in the world.
This strong statement and intent is mirrored by the operation and reach of the technology.
I'm happy to introduce you to the Smart Grid Research Group in the Department of Electrical Engineering at the University of Moratuwa. We work with two research labs, the LECO Smart Grid Research Lab and the Digital Grid Research Lab. Our vision is to contribute actively to the technological advancement of the power system sector. This not only aims to enhance the quality of life for Sri Lankan society, but also to drive sustainable development nationwide. The Smart Grid Research Group offers numerous opportunities for both research and industry collaborations. By partnering with us, you can engage in cutting-edge research, develop advanced technologies, and contribute to impactful projects that shape the future of power systems. We invite researchers, students, and industry professionals to join us in this exciting journey. We appreciate Asian Development Bank's active involvement in this field as a knowledge bank in the region and selecting us for setting up this advanced research facility in our university.
None of this would be possible without the generous donation from the Asian Development Bank, an organization focused on the development of the nation.
This is an important day today. I would like to congratulate Government of Sri Lanka, especially University of Moratuwa and Lanka Electricity Company for successfully completing this pilot project here at the University of Moratuwa. This state-of-the-art laboratory would help undertake various research and development work related to power transmission and distribution, especially to enhance the renewable energy penetration in the grid. This has been built upon the earlier ADB-supported project of the Smart Grid Lab here at the University of Moratuwa. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Government of Japan for providing the financial assistance to support this pilot project, and to the International Solar Alliance for the cooperation for this pilot project.
The newly built Digital Grid Research Lab project is a step towards a brighter future where power is available not only to all Sri Lankans, but also to the Asia-Pacific regional communities. Join us as we pave the way for a smarter, reliable, affordable, more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference.